Today we're going to make potstickers. Potstickers are just like dumplings, but instead of boiling them in water, we pan fry them and then add a little more water in the same pan to steam them up. It's gonna be super delicious, and let's get started. In a bowl, mix together the garlic, soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and sesame oil. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground pork, fresh shiitake mushrooms, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, 5-spice powder, white pepper, cornstarch, water. The water is gonna make our filling super juicy and tender. The extra light olive oil. You could also use any other cooking oil, and sesame oil. Mix well. In another large bowl, add in the Taiwanese flat cabbage. You can also use any other vegetables that you like. Scallions, cilantro stems, and 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil. By doing so, the vegetables wouldn't release their water content so easily while wrapping. It makes the wrapping process easier. Now we're gonna add the vegetables mixture to the meat and mushroom mixture. Give it a good mix. The wrappers that I'm using today are gyoza wrappers, which have some egg content in them. That's why they are a little yellowish. You could also use dumpling wrappers. That's totally fine. You can click on the link right here if you want to make wrappers from scratch. If you are using frozen wrappers, defrost them and prepare a small bowl of water. And use the finger to brush some water around the edge of the wrapper. Place about a teaspoon of the filling in the center of the wrapper. Fold in half and pinch the edges. Make sure it's tightly sealed. And repeat with the rest. Place the dumpling on a lightly dusted surface. In a skillet over medium heat, 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil. You can place the potsticker in it when the oil is not hot. By doing so, they will brown more evenly. Pan fry until the bottom is golden brown. 3 minutes. To prevent splattering, cover the lid halfway. Pour in the water. Now cover the lid completely and steam until all the water is evaporated. 7 minutes. What can I say? They're so delicious. I really enjoy our potstickers today. They're really crunchy, really crispy on the outside. You can hear from the sound. And the filling, super juicy, super tender, so aromatic. And the dipping sauce, so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as well. And if you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!